So, I got my travel bag, got my travel sunglasses, but why do I need a travel assist? Nicole needs to explain this to me. Hey Nicole!
Hey Daniel! Where are you going? Are you traveling?
Exactly, I'm on holiday right now. But I just found out that the ID.3 has a travel assist. You probably know what that is, don't you?
Sure. It can help you get to your destination in a more comfortable way.
Well, that sounds great. But how do I use it?
Easy. While driving, you can activate the ACC by pressing the Set button. Then, on the left half of the steering wheel, you'll find a little button with a car and traffic sign. It should be on the bottom right.
Found it. What happens if I use it?
So this button activates the travel assist, which is something like an intelligent co-pilot. It helps you by maintaining your car speed and the distance to the car driving in front of you. And it can also adjust to speed limits and consider the course of the road. Plus, it keeps your ID.3 in the lane, and it can either be in the middle or along your preferred line.
Well, this sounds almost like the car drives itself.
No, not quite. Remember, you are the driver and you remain responsible. The car actually wants to feel your hands on the steering wheel to make sure that you're watching the road. But it makes long-distance travel so much more comfortable and a lot easier. And it'll even help you change lanes.
It does what now?
Yes, you heard me right. It'll even help you change lanes. So when you want to overtake on a multi-lane highway, or the Autobahn as you guys like to call it here in Germany, you need to be traveling over 90 kilometers an hour. You can see your car on the assistant view in the display. If there's a little arrow beneath it, just tap your turn signal. Your car will now help you move into the desired lane automatically.
Wow, this sounds like something straight out of the future.
It's true, but don't worry. You can take control at any time. All you have to do is tap the brake or press the main switch to go back to a non-assisted drive.
Well, I have a couple hundred kilometers ahead of me. I will definitely try this. Thank you so much, Nicole.
Of course, call anytime. Enjoy your vacation, you've definitely earned it.
I will do.
Tschüssi!
Bye.
Volkswagen.